name was Gopal Bhatt. Gopal Bhatt. And there was a king, Krishna Consciousness. So, the king should relax by joking words by the joker. That was his honor. So Gopal Bhatt was constructing a house. So the king advised another friend that if you go to his new house and evacuate, because the house is not yet open, not yet established, then I'll give you 1,000. So this man said, yes, I'll go. So he came to Gopal Bhatt's house and began to say, Gopal Bhatt, oh, I am called my Gita. Can you show me where is your privy I have to pass? So he could understand that why this man has come here to evacuate. Say, yes, come in. So he opened the new laboratory and brought a big stick. So he said, why you have brought this stick? Yes, you can pass stool. But if you urine one drop, I will kill you. So how is it possible? If it is not possible, I cannot allow. So this foolish man, you can speak, but if you use microphone, then I will kill you. Yes, Gopal Bhatt for it. They would not say, not allowed, but in a different way.